So here's the deal. If you've got a place out in the country or somewhere that's not hooked up to the city sewer, installing a septic tank is just about the only way to handle your wastewater. We're talking stuff from showers, sinks, laundry, the works. Now, once that thing's in the ground, you've got to treat it right. I can't tell you how many times I've seen folks run into problems just because they didn't know what not to put in the tank. First tip? Don't go pouring stuff down the drain that doesn't belong. That means no bleach, no grease, no baby wipes, no harsh chemicals, and definitely none of that flushable junk. Just because it flushes doesn't mean it breaks down. If you're getting one installed, do yourself a favor and get a pro to hook it up, especially when it comes to wiring and drainage. One wrong move and you could be messing with more than just your plumbing. We're talking health hazards too. If this helped clear up some questions, be sure to grab your free ebook, The No-Nonsense Guide to Septic Tanks. You'll find it in the description, packed with tips to keep things running right, all year long.